Marhaba ya jama'a and welcome back to another video. Let's learn about jobs in Levantine Arabic today, and you can get the corresponding vocab sheet in the Shami speaker store, which will be linked here and in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get started. First, we're going to start off with some general job words. Work, شغل, شغل. Profession, مهنة, مهنة. Shift, دوام, دوام. Salary, معاش, معاش. Now let's move on to jobs. A lot of these will have both a masculine and a feminine version. The left side will be the masculine version and the right side will be the feminine version. Employee. The masculine version is موظف. موظف. Now notice how this word is actually spelled with the letter Vald, but we replace the sound in spoken Arabic with the letter Zal or a Z sound. And the feminine version is موظفة. موظفة. Manager or principal. The masculine version is مدير. مدير. The feminine version is مديرة. مديرة. Doctor. The masculine form is دكتور. دكتور. The feminine version is دكتورة. دكتورة. Teacher. The masculine form is معلم. معلم. The feminine form is معلمة. معلمة. Those pronunciations tend to be a little bit more formal, so I also want to mention that you might hear معلم for the masculine version and معلمة for the feminine version. Engineer. The masculine version is مهندس. مهندس. The feminine version is مهندسة. مهندسة. Nurse. The masculine version is ممرض. ممرض. The feminine version is ممرضة. ممرضة. Driver. The masculine version is سواق. سواق. So we're changing the qaf sound to a glottal stop or hamza sound, which is common in many Levantine dialects. The feminine version is سواقة. سواقة. Chef or cook. The masculine version is طباخ. طباخ. The feminine version is طباخة. طباخة. Farmer. The masculine form is فلاح. فلاح. The feminine version is فلاحة. فلاحة. Policeman/policewoman. The masculine version is شرطي. شرطي. The feminine version is شرطية. شرطية. Firefighter. The masculine form is إطفائي. إطفائي. The feminine form is إطفائية. إطفائية. This portion of today's video is sponsored by Busu. Do you want to strengthen your modern standard Arabic alongside your Levantine dialect learning? Well then check out Busu. It's a really cool language learning app that offers structured grammar-based lessons with activities like vocab matching, fill in the blanks, and more. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced learner, Busuu has something for every level. There's a free version you can try right away, and even a 7-day free trial of the premium version if you want to dive deeper into grammar. It's a great way to build a solid, modern standard Arabic or MSA foundation alongside your dialect learning. Give it a try and see if it works for you. They also have various other languages other than Arabic, including Spanish, Japanese, and Turkish, and more. So you can find the link to try it out linked here and in the description box below. Now let's get back to our lesson. Lawyer. The masculine version is muhami. Muhami. The feminine version is muhamiyye. Muhamiyye. Judge. The masculine version is aldi. Aldi. Notice again how the qaf is changing to a hamza or glottal stop sound. The feminine version is aldiye. Aldiye. Businessman/woman. The masculine form is rajul a'mal, where rajul means man and a'mal means business. And the feminine version is sayyidat a'mal, where sayyidat means woman. Rajul a'mal, sayyidat a'mal. Accountant. Masculine version is muhasib. Muhasib. The feminine version is muhasbe. Muhasbe. Journalist. The masculine form is sahafi. Sahafi. The feminine version is sahafiyye. Sahafiyye. Photographer. The masculine form is musawwir. Musawwir. The feminine version is musawwira. Musawwira. Actor/actress. The masculine form is mumassil. Mumassil. In this word, the letter th is replaced by the letter sa when spoken. The feminine version is mumesle. Mumesle. Singer. The masculine version is mughanni. Mughanni. The feminine version is mughanniya. Mughanniya. Tailor. The masculine version is khayyat. Khayyat. The feminine version is khayyata. Khayyata. Hairdresser. The masculine version is halla. Halla. Again, we're dropping that qaf sound for a glottal stop. The feminine version is halla'a. Halla'a. Maid. The masculine version is khaddam. Khaddam. The feminine version is khaddami. Khaddami. Artist. Masculine version is fannan. Fannan. The feminine version is fannana. Fannana. Baker. The masculine version is khabbaz. Khabbaz. The feminine version is khabbaza. Khabbaza. Professor. The masculine version is ustaz. Ustaz. Notice that we're changing the dhal letter to zal when we speak. The feminine version is ustaza. Ustaza. And those are all the jobs we're going to learn in Levantine Arabic. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget you can find the corresponding vocab sheet in the Shami Speaker store. I'll see you in the next video. Ma'as salama.